flew to New York during one of the worst blizzards they've had in years, y'all. We almost missed our flight, but somehow we made it. The real reason we're here, though, our friend Michelle got invited to cook at a James Beard event, and my wife is her sous chef. Me, I'm just along for the ride because wherever she goes, I go. Now, being from Texas, I have never seen snow like this. Our hotel room wasn't ready yet, so we figured we'd walk around, grab some food, maybe find a drink, which somehow turned into us standing outside in a blizzard drinking canned espresso martinis. Was it fun? Yeah, but the next day, the city was basically shut down, and the prep day for the event, yep, that got canceled.
That don't make no sense.